Which of the following is not a pyrimidine base found in nucleic acids? Is it A, thymine, B, adenine, C, uracil, D, cytosine, or E, none of the above? So we're being asked here to identify a pyrimidine base. Nucleic acids are made up of bases. We usually abbreviate these bases as A, C, T, and G for DNA and A, C, U, and G for RNA. A is for adenine, T is for thymine, G is for guanine, C is for cytosine, and inside of RNA we have U for uracil. So let's take a look at the DNA bases themselves. Remember, they are nucleotides and they form nucleic acid, which is DNA. So as we look at the structure of the nucleotides, we can see that we have a phosphodioxyribose backbone, and then we have the base pairing between adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine, and this base pairing leads to the rungs of what we call the DNA ladder. So the question was asking to identify which of the following base pairs is not one of the pyrimidines. Let's take a look. We have two types of bases. We have purines and pyrimidines. Both types of bases contain nitrogens, so we call these nitrogen-containing compounds. If you look at guanine, which is a purine, you'll notice that guanine has two cyclical rings, 1, 2. If you look at adenine, you'll notice it's very similar in structure to guanine, and it also has two cyclical rings, 1, 2. On the contrary, when you look at thymine, you notice it has one ring, and similarly, cytosine also has one ring. Those bases inside of nucleic acids that contain only one ring are called pyrimidines. Therefore, the pyrimidines that we see on the screen are thymine and cytosine. So now we have to return to our question and identify which of the bases or chemicals listed is not one of the pyrimidines that we saw in the diagram. So we see that our choices are A, thymine, which we saw, B, adenine, which was a purine, C, uracil was not in the picture, and D, cytosine. We saw that both thymine and cytosine were indeed pyrimidines. Although uracil was not in the diagram, remember, uracil is found inside of RNA. In RNA, uracil actually replaces thymine and base pairs with adenine. Adenine is a purine. So the correct response to the question is B, adenine. The guanine and adenine bases are purines inside of nucleic acids, while thymine, uracil, and cytosine are all pyrimidines. Therefore, the correct response to the question is B, adenine.